what the man with the plan has to say. Go on, honey. Tell them what it is we need.
Well, what we need is, well, it's real simple. All we need is, the spirit of Christmas. Perhaps I should explain a little further. Well, you can look through any window. You see a great, big, beautiful world. There's an exciting adventure waiting for every boy and girl.
But Santa, life can be frustrating and very confusing too.
That's why when you see a bad mood coming, you gotta catch it right from the start. That's when you gotta stop thinking and learn to trust your heart. You need a spirit of Christmas. The spirit of Christmas.
Tell it, Santa.
Yeah, the spirit of Christmas never goes away. The spirit of Christmas. The spirit of Christmas. The spirit of Christmas.
Gonna save the day.
Gonna save the day. Everybody say yeah. Yeah. Everybody say yeah. Yeah. Everybody say yeah. Yeah. Everybody say yeah. 'Cause sooner or later you realize you got to believe in yourself, but you can't change the